Luxury has no limits, and neither does human imagination. From cars coated in pure gold to hypercars that feel more like spaceships. Today, we're taking you inside the top 10 most expensive cars in the world. 2025. Get ready, because each of these cars costs more than a private jet. At number 10, the Aston Martin Valkyrie, worth $3 million. A collaboration between Aston Martin and Red Bull Racing. This hybrid hypercar comes with 1,160 horsepower. Every single unit is hand-built, making it feel less like a car and more like Formula One on the streets. At number 9, the Lykan Hypersport, priced at $3.4 million. You may remember it flying between skyscrapers in Fast and Furious 7. It has diamond-studded headlights and gold stitching in the interior. With a top speed of over 240 miles per hour, this car defines Middle Eastern luxury. At number 8, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, valued at $3.9 million. This was the first car to break the 300 miles per hour barrier. It runs on a quad-turbo W16 engine. Only 30 models exist worldwide, making it a true symbol of prestige and engineering. At number 7, the Lamborghini Veneno Roadster, worth $4.5 million. Built to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary, this machine looks like a fighter jet on wheels. Only 9 units were ever produced, making it a billionaire's collectible dream. At number 6, the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, valued at $4.8 million. This car is literally coated in diamond dust carbon fiber. Only 2 exist in the entire world. With more than 1,000 horsepower, even Floyd Mayweather couldn't resist buying one. At number 5, the Pagani Huayra Imola, worth $5.4 million. Named after Italy's famous racetrack, it pushes the limits of aerodynamics and design. Only 5 units were created, each one a true sculpture on wheels. At number 4, the Bugatti Divo, priced at $5.8 million. It is lighter, sharper, and more agile than the Chiron. Built for track performance and cornering power, only 40 of these masterpieces exist. At number 3, the Mercedes-Maybach Exelero, an $8 million one-of-a-kind creation. Powered by a 700 horsepower twin-turbo V12, this coupe feels more like a rolling palace. From music videos to celebrity garages, the Exelero is a symbol of unmatched luxury. At number 2, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, valued at an incredible $18.7 million. It is the world's most expensive new car ever sold. Built as a tribute to the legendary Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic, it has a full black carbon fiber body, a true one-off masterpiece. Finally, at number 1, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, a jaw-dropping $28 million creation. This is the crown jewel of luxury automobiles. Handcrafted and custom-made for billionaires, it is inspired by luxury yachts. With a built-in champagne fridge and even matching umbrellas, this is not just a car, it is royalty on wheels. These cars aren't just transportation. They are statements of power, wealth, and exclusivity. So tell us, which one would you pick if money was no object? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Millionaire Motors Hub, where every drive is first class.